Morning everybody, hope you're all okay today. If you joined us at the quiz last night, I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't have a chance to catch the quiz last night, Miss Ellen has put the video on School Dojo so you can watch it at your leisure. Right, today I'm here to do a video about voice sounds. It's one of our pre-phonics skills, using our voice to make different sounds. So, here we go. My turn. Tick tock. Your turn. Brilliant. My turn. Your turn. Well done. My turn. Wee. Your turn. My turn. Ch, 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 ch. Your turn. Well done. My turn. Your turn. My turn. Boing, boing. Boing, boing. Your turn. My turn. Moo. Your turn. Well done, that was really good. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. My turn. Bzzz. Okay. What's really good to try when your children are making these different voice sounds is to have a mirror so the children can look at themselves in the mirror so they can see the different shapes their mouth is making when they're making these different sounds. Okay, then you could build up. We could have two together. So I've got bzzz, ooh. So if they're doing them both in front of the mirror, you can talk about how your mouth is making a different shape every time to make these different sounds. Anyway, have fun. Let us know how you get on. It's nearly Friday, lockdown superstar. So who are we going to choose this week? Right, take care everybody. Keep safe. Bye.